What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you to my channel where I give you tips and insights on fashion, grooming and self-improvement. And upon your request, product reviews. And guess what time it is? It's time to review these bad boys, the FLEXIBELLS from Flexnest. This is one of my recent buys and I got a few DMs on my Instagram to review these ones. So here it is for you guys today. Let me start by saying that these dumbbells are a big problem solver. I was literally looking for buying more weights because I'd exhausted the ones that I had. I wanted to lift heavier and then I came across these Flexnest FLEXIBELLS. They literally go from 2.5 kilos to 24 kgs and they've literally replaced about 15 pairs of dumbbells that I would have had to buy if I didn't go for these. Yes, they are a bit expensive, but they're really easy to manage. They're compact and they come with a lot of benefits that you would love when you once buy and start using. So let's get on with a detailed review of this product. First, let's talk price. So these bad boys cost about 20,000 rupees on the website of Flexnest and they're about 17,000 rupees from Amazon. That's where I bought them from. Let's talk size of this product. It's about 56 centimeters in the length. It's about 35 centimeters in height and 30 centimeters wide. Amazon showed a delivery time of 3 days, but unfortunately it was delayed and I got it in about 7 days, but I think it was worth the wait. The weight ranges from 2.4 kilos to about 24 kilos. That's the max on this. So you can go about adjusting 15 different adjustments on these two boys. They're delivered in cardboard boxes, like these big cardboard boxes, and they have thermocol coating inside to keep them covered from any breakage or damage that happens during delivery. I think that's the only option that we have right now in India to deliver these kind of heavy goods to your home. It's not sustainable, but that's what we have to work with for now. These FLEXIBELLS come with a warranty of 1 year and the delivery price is free, or rather included within the price that you're paying for these. This is a German brand, but they're made in China. Biggest warning right out here, it says that do not drop these dumbbells. That makes it a little delicate to use versus the regular hexagon dumbbells that you would use and you would drop them on the floor. That you cannot do with these things. The total weight is 26 kilos. These dumbbells weigh 24 and this base, which is made of plastic, is about 2 kilos. So that makes it a total of 26. Let's talk about the build quality of this product. So the dumbbell is made of metal and rubber while the base is made of plastic. But overall, it's got a good rugged and premium look. It's pretty easy to adjust these dumbbells. You just have to put the same digit on both the sides. So for example, if I'm setting it at 4.5, I put 4.5 on the other side and then you have a 4.5 kilo dumbbell with you. It's also easy to take out these plates and clean the surface below. So maintenance is not much of an issue with these. You just have to be careful when you're putting them inside this dumbbell box again and while you're taking out. Don't be very harsh with it, you've got to be a little gentle. So Flexnest gives you an option to buy an add-on accessory, a stand for both these dumbbells, but I don't think it's really required. You can rather spend that money, which costs about 10,000 rupees. You can spend it on some other accessory that you need for your home gym. You can buy a punching bag, for example, or maybe you can buy another equipment from Flexnest. Alright, so time for the personal verdict and my review of this product. I will give it about 8 on 10. It's got a very good build quality. The storage is very easy and convenient. The 2 points that I'm not giving this product from 10 is because A, it's a little expensive. It costs about 20,000 to get a pair of these dumbbells, and secondly, it's a bit delicate, so you have to handle it with care. You cannot be like careless how we are with the hexagon dumbbells. So that's the only reason why I'm giving it 8 on 10. Otherwise, I think it's a good buy. It's a good investment for your home gym. So I hope this is going to make your buying decision a lot more easier and you will make your investment thinking about this properly and wisely. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching and please let me know if you want any other products to be reviewed on my channel. I'd be happy to do so. Please let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to hear from you. And always remember, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.